What is paper trading? Every professional trader started with practice, and this is how. Paper trading allows you to practice the market before you risk real money. It's a simulator that uses virtual money but real-time prices. You can trade with live NSE and BSE data, giving you the full market experience with zero financial risk. Beyond just numbers, it helps you learn essential market mechanics such as bid-ask spreads, order types, and liquidity effects. More importantly, it allows you to identify your emotional patterns. Fear, greed, and FOMO are part of the game. It's better to spot them safely before your capital is at stake. Use this time to test your strategies. See if your approach actually works in live conditions before committing a single rupee. Most experts recommend practicing for 2 to 3 months before going live. Once you see consistent positive returns, you'll know you're ready for the real thing. Start for free today. Practice trading without losing real money. Create your free account at NiftyPaperTrade.in. Practice first, trade confidently.